first question from Ron today.
Hey, how are you? Thanks so much. So I just need help with publishing. I use this new AI studio to
Yeah,
build a landing page,
yeah.
and it looks great, but I just don't know how to publish it to replace my old website that I have that was not in high level. So I'm kind of going
What's
from
your account?
mydojoworld.com.
MyDojoWorld.com. Okay.
Yes. And I
And
have that
yeah.
domain I have purchased through GoDaddy. So I have both. I have my high level account pulled up here and my GoDaddy login pulled up here if you want me to screen share, if that's the easiest way, whatever works best for you.
Okay, no worries. I mean, you don't have to share the screen. I'll just tell you how to do it. So basically, what you have to do is, if you go to the AI Studio, like when you hit publish, there's an option on the top right. I'll show it to you right now, so you get an
Good,
idea.
thank you.
Basically, here, if you go to the account, we've already built the website. It's fully built, right? Is it functional?
Correct. Yes. Yeah, it's in AI Studio, fully functional.
It's connected to the CRM. Okay, cool. Now, if you go to that project, let me go to this one. So if you go to the project, you hit publish, you'll see there's an option that says add custom domain. Not very visible, but yeah. So if you click on that to your domain, which is mydojoworld.com, once you do that, you'll check mark this bit as well. Also add www.mydojoworld.com, and then you'll hit add record manually. All right. So once you do that, you'll go to GoDaddy, the DNS part of your GoDaddy. Like in GoDaddy, if you go to the domain settings, you can see an option that says DNS management or DNS records, like something with DNS. All right. So you'll click on that, and then you'll see a couple of records already. One will be the A record, one will be the C name record. All right. You'll have to delete those first. Otherwise, these will create conflicts. Right. So you'll first delete those, and then you'll recreate them. Right. So you'll just create an A record and a C name record, and just wait for a few minutes. I would say like 30 minutes, and then you'll just have to verify the DNS. That's basically what you need to do to connect that domain. Does it make sense?
That makes sense. I'm going to go do that right now. And
While we're
then
doing
I'll
the call,
just,
you can do that, and then
yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do. Stock will come back on. So much. I appreciate that.
No worries.